Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk this product Boldify hair fibers, or you can say hair densifier. Okay, you should buy this product or not. Does it really worth it or not? So first of all, you can see they are, you can like providing you 14 shades for men's and women's. So if you have problem related to hair thinning and any kind of baldness on your hairs, then this is really helpful product if you are planning to go on any trip, and if you want to you can join any party and all, then this kind of product is really helpful. Okay, but if we talk about like the brand, this brand is also very popular and they have good review on internet also. Okay, and they have also their official website, but on the official websites, when you buy the product, you need to keep something in your mind, that is like subscription. If you want this product auto delivery system, and then you can buy subscribe and save option. If you want to use their product only for one time, and then you should buy product only for one time purchase. Otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription if you choose the product related to subscribe and save. Okay, so if you forget to cancel your subscription, then they will charge on your account. So this is a 100% legit brand, and you can buy these kind of hair fibers, and they are really good. Okay, you just need to choose your hair shades and you can buy it. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.